Very welcome to another Engel Völkers property tour. We are here on the best spot of Marbella East in Elviria, and I'm going to show you a modern Andalusian family home. This beautiful modern Andalusian home is located on 1,500 square meters of garden. We have in total almost 730 square meters of property, and this is divided in 3 areas. This is the main house behind me. We have a guest house which is a fully equipped 1-bedroom apartment, and we have a double garage plus an entertainment area with a pool table and also a bar. Thank you for watching. If you want to have more information, please click the link below and don't forget to subscribe, and see you very soon in Elviria.